social media. Suddenly, learning is something that is changing the landscape of education nowadays. Karapat-dapat kayong tawagin matatag. At sa inyong mga bagong graduates, nagsisimula ang matatag curriculum na pinangungunahan ng Department of Education para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng Pilipinas. And I'm very, very confident that with all of your experiences before you reach this point, you are matatag.
I'm happy. I made it. We made it. We made West Public Day more excited and happy. Thank you again, everyone.
Today, we have witnessed a milestone in the lives of our graduates. Each graduate here is a testament of dedication, perseverance, and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. The future is yours to shape, and I am confident that you will make it a brighter and better place. Let us look forward with hope and anticipation. Let us embrace the future with confidence and courage, knowing that Colegio Santo Domingo equipped us for the challenges ahead.
We are entering a new chapter in our lives, making our dreams into reality. Be not afraid to take risks and learn from failures. We were built with confidence and courage. Believe in yourself and your capabilities.
You're all worth every second of time. You're worth every tears, every laugh, every push, and every pull. You are all wonderful. I now know that in someone's eyes, you are not just a responsible. You are someone.
Always remember about Dr. Jose Rizal Scope. He who does not know how to look back at where he came from will never get to his destination. Or in Tagalog, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa kanilang pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa kanilang paroroonan. A quote that highlights how our past is something dear to us and how this piece is an important part to the success that we are all yearning for.
Congratulations to the collegians who are moving up to the next level and to the graduates of this school year. Remember CSD's core values instilled in you. Be a person with character. A steward who is mindful and responsible for God's creation. And to be one who is dutifully dedicated to fulfilling one's duty and purpose.